Hello and welcome to our channel. So in today's video we are going to be going over the January 2017 Ipsy bag, Sephora Play, and then both of the Walmart beauty boxes, the Trendsetter and the Classic. Go ahead and put that down, hopefully. There we go. Alright. So make a little bit of room. So we will start with the Sephora Play. The Sephora Play is $10 a month. All right. And the front of the bag says, "Sweat is just another way to glow." Okay, so first off, we have this trio by Amore Pacific. It is a, oh, come on, focus. There we go. A color control cushion compact. So there's the color tan blush, and then also the color of almond blush, and then in here you just have your little pad. Next is the OA treatment mask for your hair. We have our perfume, the Tory Burch Love Relentlessly. Oh. What else do we have? We have the Youth to the People anti-aging cream. Come on. Oh, why won't you just focus? There we go. Then we have the Tarte Friction Stick, which is a exfoliant. And finally, we have, let me see if I can figure out what the name of this is. Color black honey. There's a Clinique lip balm in black honey. So there's that. And that is it for the Sephora Play bag. Get this stuff out of the way. All right. Next up is our Ipsy bag in this little metallic-y mesh bag. Okay. So first thing we have is this Sea Salt Solutions Instant Glow Face Powder Exfoliant. So basically what you do with this is you take your cleanser, your typical cleanser for your face, and you add this to it and make a exfoliant for your face. And it's in lavender. And then we got a contour brush, which I'm excited about. I have a contour brush, but I really want to get Ipsy in order to get all of these brushes. Next we have the Manicadar in the color Fantasy. Then we have the Temp 2. It is a base, smooth, and matte primer. And the last thing we have is by Bahama Mama, and it's just a bronzer. So that's it for Ipsy this month. I know pretty much every bag is different, it seems. So, all right, our last two are going to be our Walmart beauty boxes. So obviously this one is going to be our classic, and this one's going to be our trendsetter. Actually got a few of the same things in each of them, so let's go ahead and open them up and we will go through them. Oh, I'll let this draw. This is not going to be easy. These boxes have a mind of their own. Okay. All right. So first thing I'm going to do is just go over the repeats that are in each of the boxes. So in each box, you're going to get the CoverGirl Volume Blast mascara. So I got two of those. The next repeat in each box is the Curl Hydrotherapy. It's a wet skin moisturizer. Now I received a sample from Curel to try it. I think through CrowdTap, and then Curel also sent me a coupon for a full size one of these. So what I'll probably end up doing with these is donating them or gifting them to someone, since I have plenty now. All right, any other repeats? Yes. Next repeat is going to be the Pond's Rejuvenous Anti-Wrinkle Cream, which, I'll probably get those myself. And the final repeat is going to be the Dove Body Wash. All right. So now I got those on the side. Let's take a look at the Trendsetter. Now the Trendsetter is for under the age of 35, and the Classic is for over the age of 35. So we got the, move this out of the way. More. Show you guys. The Whole Blends Green Apple and Green Tea Shampoo and Conditioner Sample. And then the L'Oreal Smooth Intense. We have a shampoo, a conditioner, and a straightening boosting pre-conditioner. So sample bag of that. And then coupons for $1 off InStyle, People, and Style Watch. That's all the Trendsetter. And the last few things in the Classic is, all right, sorry about that. The last few things that we have in the Classic box is the Aveeno Absolutely Ageless Daily Moisturizer and the Absolutely Ageless Restorative Night Cream. And then a coupon for one Gray Away. And what else? And that was it. So that's everything from the beauty boxes that we are currently subscribed to this month. I don't know why it is in Chicago. We tend to get them later than everyone else. But it is what it is. So, yeah. Axel wants to say hello, by the way. Axel, you want to say hello? And then we go sniffins. Alright. Say thank you for watching. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And we will catch you in the next video. Take care.